Hello, hello, hello. Good. How's everybody doing this morning? Just take a quick look here at Financial Juice. Let's see if we get caught up on some of this news, if there is any. Canadian retail sales month over month, 5:30 a.m. Chinese state oil majors suspend seaborne Russian oil purchases due to concerns about Western sanctions. Oh, wow, oil went up real hard on that Chinese information. And that looks like about it for now. Let's get some music going here. I think we got market on open here in about 10 seconds or so. Let's see here. Media assets. And
Artlist.io.
all right. Just gonna throw my view ups on here on my trading view chart. Let's get it going.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, guys. So last night we pretty much went sideways, guys. Not a whole lot to look at. We have been in sort of a bearish trend since midnight. Finally finding some support down there at 6,720 on the ES. Let's see here. Yes.
Music licensing reimagined.
Do we have much room to the midnight open? So we just took it there on YM, but we do have room to go. Let's see, was that would have been a bearish fair value gap. So there's still a chance we could take a long on the NQ toward the midnight open here.
Music licensing reimagined.
But I got a lot of VWAPs in the way. We got overnight VWAP, we got previous day VWAP, and we got the 200 EMA, all sort of like blocking the road to the midnight open area. So a little reluctant to take that trade. Looking like the Dow's looking pretty strong, guys. Bouncing up, heading towards value area low. Sort of recover some of the move lower last night
Artlist.io.
and yesterday. Let's see here. Hey Zara, good morning. How you doing? So Randy's gonna be. He's not going to be able to make it on right away. I guess they needed him on ASFX TV. He's just hanging out with Evan right now. So I guess they were short today. Speaking of them, I'm going to get that live. Tired, but all good. Were you up all night again there, Zar? You savage guy. Always trading that gold overnight. Just Evan right now on the stream. Let's see what we got on Discord here. Make sure I'm all caught up.
Artlist.io.
So rejecting currently off of the overnight VWAP, guys,
Music
here
licensing reimagined.
on NQ. Oh, there he is. Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning. How are you today?
I'm pretty good.
Good
How
to
about you?
hear. All right. Living the dream.
Yeah.
Trying to,
Really?
anyway. Mhm. Nightmares and
Literally?
dreams, too, right?
Yeah, that's true. So pretty sideways last night. I mean, we did get some up and some down, but mostly sideways, right?
Yeah, mostly.
So I feel like we need to either get below previous day low or above value area high if we're going to get any kind of like real expansion.
Music licensing
Or, sorry.
reimagined.
Value area low. ES looks a little bit stronger though. We're kind of already at the point of control, whereas NQ is still down at the value area low, and YM is also below value area low.
Artlist
Strong
IO.
Trader and Isaac are streaming today. Oh, nice.
Oh, yeah?
I guess that's what Keith said. Gold was a bit lackluster during Asian for shorts. Managed to hold some runners on gold during London. Just going to cross my fingers we don't come back to VWAP. Yeah. Hey, Michael. Morning.
Keep those fingers crossed.
Keep them crossed.
I was in a gold long this morning.
Yeah.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
Yeah, and 41.30, 41.31.50, and I moved my stop loss up to, where was it, 41.52, and it pulled back and stopped me out.
Oh, okay. Well, that's a nice trade though, regardless.
Yeah, no, I was happy with the trade, but I kind of wish I would have given it a little bit more room to breathe, because it looks like it's going to pop back up now.
Yeah. And I mean, it went all the way to 64 after that, right? But green is green, and 10 points is pretty good too. So.
Yeah, 10 points on 5 micros. So.
Oh, nice. Yeah. That's
Music licensing reimagined.
500? 10 points. 10 times 10 is 100 times 5. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Very nice. Try to get my lucid accounts loaded up here.
Artlist IO.
It's so slow.
It'll pick up shortly. Give it that 15. Another 8 minutes.
Yeah.
We'll see what we're gonna do.
Reimagined.
So Randy, he got called to by Austin to go on stream because I guess Evan's the only one who's on today. So he's gonna join us. He said he'll come on later after he's done with their stream. So
Can't let Evan be all alone.
yeah.
Yeah, you don't know what that guy will do if he's by himself. It's a kook.
Artlist IO.
Probably sit flat. No.
No, he'll be patient and
Yeah.
smile a lot, and that's about it.
Yeah.
Artlist IO.
Yeah. He's definitely patient. That guy. For sure. So we did take the 200 EMA on NQ. Still a little bit of room to the
Music
To the midnight
licensing
open price.
reimagined.
I think I'm gonna try a small long here. do have a little bit of room up to midnight open, which is at 85. I know I'm a little bit early here, but I'm going to stick my order at 79 here and see if I can't get tagged out real quick.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, NQ is looking actually really good right now. A lot better than ES.
Close to my order.
Music licensing
Come on, one more tick.
reimagined.
Don't edge me. Don't edge me.
So let me rephrase that. I had my ES set on the daily chart.
Yeah.
ES is looking pretty good too.
Okay, yeah. Oh, I got edged. Now I'm break even again. Shoot. Might have to cut this here. We start heading any lower. Here we go. Come on, pop it up. They're literally edged on that, like less than a point away from my order there.
No.
Music licensing
You just set a limit in to buy.
No, to sell it. And then I didn't drop my stop. I should have dropped my stop in there, but come on. It's trying to get up there. I'm dropping my stop here now. There we go. Order taken. There we go. Nice. 69 bucks.
Good deal.
Quick little grab. That's in my two funded accounts there. 150K straight funded. Top one futures. Those guys, I did have about 25 bucks in there from yesterday. I took a little scalp yesterday too, so it's weird. I keep getting this little like ding dong noise. So I don't know if Project X has a new sound.
Could not
Like
tell you.
when the chart, like when the candle's going to be ending soon, or is that maybe my Tradeovate? You know how Tradeovate?
licensing
Do
reimagined.
you ever hear that on Tradeovate where it's like it gives you a little notification that the that candle's going to end?
No, never heard that.
I keep getting this little like ding ding.
Most of the time I'm on TradingView though, so
Good
a
morning, Dad.
little bit.
Yeah, if you're on TradingView, you probably obviously wouldn't hear that.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it just happened again. Like, what the heck? Where's this coming from?
No idea.
It's got to be top one because it was the only one that's open. So, oh, maybe it's actually I'm getting Discord notifications. That's probably what it is, actually.
How many tabs you have open on that computer?
Oh, way too many. Way too many. Yeah, it must be Discord.
Artlist.io.
Well, glad I took that profit there where I did. Getting a bit more of a pullback now here.
Coming back on you? Already? Tell that market to slow its roll.
Yeah. What the heck?
Music licensing
Yeah,
reimagined.
we basically, that's the only reason I took that trade is we still had a little space to the midnight open. And we basically touched midnight open there. And that was kind of like, that was my 3-inch putt. You know,
Oh,
we're
okay.
almost at the midnight open. So I was like, okay, it looks like it's going to get there. So, yeah. Geez, I'm going to have to turn off this, whatever this beeping noise is. What the heck, man?
I got nothing for you.
Yeah, I have no idea how to turn this on or off either, so got to be in settings, I guess.
Artlist.io.
It's very noisy though. It's like maybe I can just turn this. mute this. I'm gonna have to ask AI. That'll help me find this real fast.
Yeah, that might be your best bet. Oh, lovely. Looking at my investment account, I've lost $16,000 this morning. That's nice.
Oh my gosh. From which?
God, who the fuck knows? Maybe
Randy,
somebody's.
sorry, go ahead.
Maybe somebody's
Artlist.io.
snorting Adderall and tweeting while on the toilet. It's usually when I notice my investment account's dropping.
Oh yeah.
I'm seriously considering selling everything and
Music
just holding a
licensing
cash position at the end of every day.
Oh yeah. Right?
Yeah.
Treat it sort of like futures. Look at NQ now, hey? Shoot. We are now like 20 points above the midnight open. Shoot. It's looking really, really strong though, hey?
So I've got another 5 micro gold long at 41.59.20, and I just moved my stop loss into to $58 in profit.
Very nice.
I'm gonna see if this keeps going up today.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I mean it's it's due for a little recovery anyways.
Yeah, after that that big drop off,
Yeah.
I was looking at going long on it, and now that I can, hey. Oh.
Artlist.io.
See if this pulls back and
Yeah,
stops me
GPT's
out.
not working for me right now for some reason.
Artlist.io.
Do anything fun last night?
Not much. I did take a couple trades on gold in my take profit trader accounts. I think I'm up 182 in both of those accounts from
All
last
right.
night.
Music licensing reimagined.
So yeah, I was I'm really again, I sold too early though. I was in actually, but with a number of contracts. I think I was in with like 6 or 7 micros. Then it started popping up, so I ended up taking profit pretty fast. It said 250 when I hit exit and sell, and then I only got 180 or whatever out of it. But I should have held it because it probably would have been like $1,000 trade. Of course, seems to be my motto.
I hate it when that happens.
Yeah.
Like, oh, I should have held it. No.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, would have been a nice trade. Let's see here. Okay, so mute all sound messages. Open Discord. Click the user settings on the bottom left to your name. Notifications in the sidebar. Sound selection. Yeah, this is getting so annoying.
Artlist.io.
Go to notifications. Where's notifications here? There we go.
Music
Notifications.
licensing reimagined.
And then it says sound section. Oh yeah, it says how sound is Halloween. That's why it's like kind of a little like Halloween-y noise. And let's mute. Okay.
Artlist.io.
I wish I would have taken an NQ long this morning.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. If I would have held that, smokes, man.
Artlist.io.
All the way up to that would be Tuesday's VWAP. Yeah, I think it's all the way up to Tuesday's VWAP.
Watch it blow through that.
Yeah, this could be a long all day kind of trade day. What do we got on the news here? 7, we have U.S. existing home sales. That's a red folder. And then at noon, we got Trump making an announcement. Keep in mind, this is all West Coast times. And then Australian services PMI, that's not important. Japanese CPI and UK retail sales, those are later in the day.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
All right, so I got my long in on NQ at 25.1
Music licensing
39.80,
Nice.
and I already pulled my stop loss up to 25.1 47.25.
Sweet.
So no matter what, I'm making about, I don't know, like $60, and right now it's up 170, 180.
Nice.
So I'm just gonna leave that there and let it play out for a bit.
Artlist.io.
Goal for the day is to just not get too nervous and not take any big losses.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Well, I made $50. Just pulled back and got my.
Music
What's that?
licensing
On that little pullback there.
Yep.
Gotcha. Oh, well. I mean, money's money. Nice,
50
solid
bucks
win.
is $50.
Yeah. Especially when you're across multiple accounts.
Yeah, I switched. I don't trade gold on prop accounts. It's
Okay.
a bad idea for me. So I was doing that on my personal account.
Okay.
And then now that I'm on the prop accounts, it's either NQ or ES.
Gotcha.
Artlist.io.
So you're out of that gold trade? Because didn't you take a new gold trade?
Yeah, I'm out of it.
Okay.
I took another 5 points on 4 micros.
Beautiful.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, thanks for coming on. I thought I was going to be here all alone. Surprised that Christine hasn't been coming around.
Yeah, I think she's I think she doesn't like me.
Yeah, me too. I got that
Yeah.
same feeling.
Yeah, she
I don't think she likes you.
oh well.
Too
What
many
you gonna do?
too many lewd comments.
She's the one always calling people a pussy.
Yeah, true.
Music licensing reimagined.
That's true. That's true. 100%.
I never understood, people calling somebody a pussy. That is the most resilient part of the human body. I mean, you can have babies come out of that, and then it goes back to normal. What the?
Yeah, right.
That's what you should call people when they're extremely tough. I know, I'm an idiot. I'm sorry.
No, it's funny.
It's like the term sissy when people, used to always call people, "Oh, you're such a sissy."
Yeah.
That actually comes from Sisyphus, that guy who had to push a boulder up a hill for all of eternity.
Oh yeah. How's that
Yeah.
a sissy?
Exactly.
That sounds like a
That sounds
maniac.
like a real hard thing to do, and you sound like a real tough dude. So,
Yeah.
I'm not
Music
sure.
licensing reimagined.
What time do we got here? 55 opening range is set. Back at this discount. We got the Lux Algo opening range indicator.
Artlist.io.
The Lux Algo opening range indicator.
Yeah, it just basically marks up the the 15-minute range on your chart for TradingView, and then it gives you like the deviation. So like 50% of the opening range, it'll mark it at the next, like the next higher one and the lower ones.
I've been using the automatic VWAPs from Lux Algo,
Oh yeah.
and that gives you the opening range and the initial balance as well.
Oh nice. That one's a paid one though, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure I heard Austin talk about that one. So Dow's getting a bit of a pullback towards value area low, coming back to the New York VWAP. We got ES is holding above the range right now and above value area high, and then NQ nicely above the range and working its way halfway through up to the point of control. Wouldn't mind seeing a little pullback here. Possible entry for long on the NQ.
I think today you're going to have to be patient and wait for that pullback.
Yeah,
It may never come.
yeah, that's what I'm wondering. We're kind of due for one of those long grindy up days.
It's been a minute since we've had one.
Artlist.io.
ES is pulling back slightly.
Yeah.
Music
Hit
licensing
67, 66. It's come back about 9 points.
Yeah, there's a nice bullish for value gap there, right below it, from 753 up to 758. So it'll be interesting to see if it can hold that, which is also sort of lines up with the very top of the range there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, they're all pulling back a little bit right now. Mag 7 also pulling back a bit. OYM's falling hard,
Music licensing reimagined.
so that's definitely helping ES come back down a bit. That's why ES is looking a little more bearish than NQ.
Yeah, NQ's got a little bit of a pullback, but nothing to make you nervous.
Zar just closed his MNQ long. Nice, Zar.
Good job.
On that little pullback, I guess.
Artlist.io.
since all the other ones are pulling back, it's probably a good idea. You never know. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Good morning, Michael.
Coffee and a water. So I did see
Patience
an
doesn't
announcement.
sell.
Sorry?
Michael Schwartz.
Artlist.io.
Good morning. Patience doesn't sell. We
Yeah.
need some action.
Yeah, that's true. 10 seconds on some sort of news here. What have we got? 7.
Artlist.io.
Probably, hopefully, or maybe U.S. home existing sales. But I guess it kind of depends. Is the government still shut down?
It is. I mean, as far as I know, I've been avoiding the news like it's a plague. I don't need my blood pressure going that high.
Music licensing reimagined.
We did get U.S. home sales, and it was exactly what they were predicting. So, and it didn't. It's marked as a red. Well, it's red. It's a red dot, not a lightning though. Like they have like little symbols for the news. And if it's like a red lightning, I guess that's high impact. And then just a red dot is notable, but not super high.
Yeah,
Artlist.io.
generally when they do like FOMC, University of Michigan jobs, things like that, those are the ones that make a higher impact.
Yeah, make the market jolt.
Those are the ones that I don't trade during.
Yeah,
Music licensing.
I've only traded once on FOMC.
Did you get
And it worked.
smoked?
No, it worked. It worked good. I waited for it. It popped up really strong, and then I waited for a nice pullback. And once it started looking strong again, I went in long and I added 2 times, and then I sold. So it worked out really good.
So was that
like
skill or was that luck?
Well, I mean, that was my plan. Like I was
Alright,
waiting for
so
the pullback.
we'll
and I
call
went
it
long,
skill.
Started recovering, but yeah. I mean, I'm sure there is a bit of luck there because it could have just like not continued going higher.
Yeah, the only times I've ever traded on FOMC and anything good happened, it was pure luck.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
I don't do that no more.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying really hard not to be a degenerate gambler.
Yeah, it is pretty easy to get in. I actually, I think I took a trade last night on my funded accounts in gold, and then I just closed it right away. I was like, no, this feels like gambling. I shouldn't, I didn't have any real good reason to be taking that trade. So I was like, no, I got to get out of this. And then I stopped trading.
Artlist.io.
Home sales down a lot.
What was that? Home sales are down a lot?
Yeah. Oh, well, it shows from 2022 on, but since 2022, there was a 6,430,000 home sales.
Music
I don't know if that's it.
licensing reimagined.
I guess that's how many houses are sold. And then now it's 4,060. Or no, 4,060,000.
Okay, I was gonna say that's not right.
Yeah. I'm just reading the number wrong. So it's dropped like over 2 million sales.
Not surprising.
Yeah, not surprising.
Artlist.io.
I'm sure Canada's home sales numbers are much worse than that.
I think.
Yeah, I mean, it's way too expensive in Canada. Really, way, way too expensive. You can go to the States across the border and you get like half price. Like if you go just south of the border from Vancouver, you're gonna get like half price.
Wow.
Yeah. It's actually crazy. NQ's holding up pretty good up here, but not giving us any kind of reason to want to jump in on anything right now.
Nope. I was hoping for a little bit of pullback on NQ, but it's just holding steady right now.
Yeah. How's gold looking here? Oh, gold. Wow. I'm on the 5-minute chart and it's it's just like up and down from 55 to 66 for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles in a row.
Jeez.
Like so tight, just up and down. Like literally through those ranges.
Glad I got out of that trade.
Artlist.io.
Super tight chop there. But looking like it's forming a bull flag, so it looks like it wants to pop higher.
Artlist.io.
It might not be a bad idea to get an entry down at 41.55. If I get another pullback. I probably won't take that right now though, but
Music licensing reimagined.
Does not seem like a good idea to get into that for me right now.
no, me neither. But okay, so Dow pulled back all the way down to middle of the range. Bounced up. And he's finally getting a little more of that pullback, heading to the low of that recent little structure it's been forming. Get some wakey music.
Yeah, please do.
Artlist.io.
We'll just sit here and dance. All right.
So you took long on NQ?
Music
Me?
licensing
Yeah, okay.
reimagined.
I heard you say, all right. Like that sometimes indicates that you're like got into it.
No, it was the music was a little bit loud in my speakers. So it was
I turned it
too
down.
early
Sorry.
for that shit.
I cranked it up on my side, so that's why it got a little loud for a second. Yeah, we haven't seen Thomas at all either lately.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, he and Christine have been off doing their own thing.
Yeah. I think she's got her Instagram now too, so it's kind of
Music
Maybe she's,
licensing reimagined.
that's keeping her a little more busy on the side. A little more pullback here. Heading back to the New York VWAP. We are having a little less volume on this pullback, which is, I think, is kind of a good sign for the bulls.
Artlist.io.
VWAP just disappeared off my damn chart.
Yeah. Almost want to take a long on ES right now with the
Music
way that
licensing
it's holding
reimagined.
holding the VWAP. Wait for this candle to close at least.
You looking at minis or micros?
Micros, yeah. I can't risk it.
Artlist.io.
So we are below it now.
See what it does.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, it's a pretty strong push down.
Yeah, not buying that.
No.
I've got burned on that one before. Like literally that exact trade. That's why I'm like, I'm waiting for this candle to close.
Yeah, it didn't go well for you, did it?
Artlist.io.
Last time, remember, I think it was like a couple weeks ago, I had a limit buy order sitting on the VWAP, and just like got there, tagged it, and just kept going straight through it. I'm like, oh, of course.
That's
Still
a
hoping
gamble
for
right
it.
there. That's not even,
Yeah.
that's like flipping a coin.
Yeah, it did hold it on a previous candle. That's part of the reason I
Music licensing reimagined.
put the order there, but it doesn't mean it's going to hold again, right?
Yeah, that's why you wait for the second retest.
Yeah. So Czar said still holding still hoping a pullback below VWAP on NQ. Well, you kind of almost there. We're almost there on NQ. Maybe you should be keeping an eye on NQ though, because it is looking a little stronger, but also not at a point where I want to definitely don't want to take a long on it. We got too many VWAPs below it to take a short currently. So
How many VWAPs do you keep on your chart? You've got previous day. Do you have midnight on there?
yeah, I have start of day open, and then I have New York open, and then I got previous day New York, and the day before is New York. I still leave that one off, but I don't usually give that one too much weight. It did hold it for a bit today though, but not too much.
Artlist.io.
Okay, well NQ found support, looking like at that New York VWAP.
It's a nice bounce off that New York VWAP.
Still got 2.5 minutes on that candle, but
Yeah, I'm not getting into anything yet. I'm gonna grab some more coffee though.
Yeah, good idea. I think I'm gonna stand up today, guys.
Music licensing reimagined.
So just taking a look at the viewers here real quick. Looks like we got 10 in Randy's X channel. We got 1 in my X channel, 4 in my YouTube, 5 in Randy's YouTube. What's up, everybody? Thanks for coming on. And yeah, NQ looking pretty strong off that bounce off the New York VWAP
Music
there.
licensing reimagined.
Okay, well, looks like Austin and the gang are all on now on that street.
Artlist.io.
Ooh, the Dow just fallen still, guys, just fallen.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like Zach Boyajian's not on today. Oh, what's this live trading New York Open? This prop firm match. Okay, that's where they are.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I just muted Nick's mic there because you can hear the kids talking in the background. They can keep their own privacy.
Artlist.io.
I muted you there for a second.
Artlist.io.
You could hear the conversation with the kids in the background. So I was like, oh, you guys could probably have your privacy.
Whatever.
Okay, well,
Music
sort of just sideways so far, guys. Short on the Dow would have been really nice right about now. That was up at 8,700.
Short on ES would have been nice 20 points ago.
Yeah. That and the Dow both pulling back hard.
Artlist.io.
So what
Strong
the heck?
breakthrough view up.
Prop firm match TV. Like, is it a new channel?
I don't
They
know.
have-
I can't keep up with all this. Every new thing that comes out, I can't.
Interesting. You can actually go to their
Artlist.io.
yeah, it's new. Their videos. Let's go to videos here.
Artlist.io.
Oh, they've been around for a while, but they just recently started the live streams. When I go to live streams, there's only been 1 week of live streams now, and it's as Zach. I guess Zach is the host.
Man, Zach is everywhere recently.
Yeah, he's like
Licensing reimagined.
doing so many things, right?
Well, he's got a
He helps
baby
with
on the way. He's got a
Futures.
baby on the way. He's got to make some money.
Yeah. And he had a couple really killer months there too, right? So
Yeah, he did.
40K or something.
Yeah, I know he took like a 30K payout from Tradeify or Top Step, one of the two.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
Back to the New York VWAP for NQ.
Yeah, Zach deserves that, man. He's actually a really good trader.
Really,
And a
good.
really nice. He's a really nice guy too. You couldn't. It couldn't happen to a better person.
Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking like if I joined ASFX, I might want to get mentored by him.
He doesn't coach.
Oh, he doesn't? Okay,
No.
gotcha. I'm still waiting for his futures course to come out.
Yeah, I stopped holding my breath after the third time I passed out.
Yeah. Czar had to trim a bit of gold. Okay. Is
Artlist.io.
gold pulling back right now too? Yeah, we're down at the... Wow, yeah. Falling lower here.
Artlist.io.
This is the area where I was saying might be a good place to get along. Kind of like at the bottom of that consolidation. But
What are you looking at there?
Gold,
NQ?
gold. Yeah.
Music
But those last two
licensing
candles are pretty
reimagined.
damn good. Also, kind of like, ugh, looks like it could go lower here.
Yeah, I'm holding off on an NQ trade now.
You're in an NQ?
No, I said I'm holding off on an NQ trade now.
Yeah, yeah.
There's nothing
Also-
telling me I should get into this right now.
Yeah.
Doesn't
Also
fit in
looking
with my
pretty-
plan.
Artlist.io.
It's looking heavy like gold or slippery like oil or
Explosive like nat gas.
explosive like that. Yeah. Yeah, looking bearish at the moment.
All right, ES retested VWAP.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nvidia's pulling back up a little bit.
Nvidia. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Top of the range.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Okay, enough of
Pulling
this
back nicely.
ED music here.
Yeah, if you ever have kids, you will start turning the music down and enjoying silence for as long a period of time as you possibly can.
I definitely do like my silence. But I feel
Way
like
to
the
go,
viewers kind of want some sort of noise on their end, but I could be wrong.
Take a poll.
Music licensing
Yeah, that's a good idea. I
reimagined.
wonder if I can do a poll on here. Never seen that.
Charts are just messing with me today.
VWAP disappearing again?
Artlist.io.
All right, there we go. Yeah, VWAP disappeared. I don't know what's going on.
Nice bounce there off the midnight open at for NQ.
Music licensing
Gold starting to bounce a
reimagined.
bit too. We got a couple bearish fair value gaps on gold though to get through. Jeez, NQ. 96 to 129.
Artlist.io.
Down and then right back up. 1 minute left on this 5-minute candle.
Artlist.io.
So yesterday I was having issues with my trade day account, saying that the market wasn't open.
Music licensing
Apparently, after that
reimagined.
Amazon Web Services issue, they had
Mhm.
to reset everything, and they're going through everybody's accounts.
Wow.
So it's up and running now, but they're still, like, if anybody has a trade day account, they're in a restoration process right now. So
Gotcha.
Artlist.io.
I think next week I'm going to be
Music licensing reimagined.
on the Traders Post live stream again.
Nice. We try to get in on some other streams here. Gotta start reaching out to some people. Try to get a little more exposure. Although I've been trading green, I haven't been trading very good on the open time.
Well, I know Mike
Artlist.io.
from Traders Post. He likes that first 15 minutes.
Yeah,
He really likes the movement there.
yeah,
I do not.
yeah.
He still trades. I mean, he trades VWAP,
Artlist.io.
but he likes that first that opening. He likes playing in the opening range. I can't do it.
Yeah, you can make
Try-
quick money.
You can make quick money, but my win rate is so low during the opening range,
Yeah,
and my win rate's a lot
Music
higher
licensing
after that first
reimagined.
15 minutes. I just don't want to risk it. Even if I'm risking a small amount and setting my stop losses appropriately, I
Yeah.
still screw it up. So should ask him what his entries are on that.
Artlist.io.
I was standing up for a minute. It's getting too boring for me to be standing up right now.
Music
gold is-
Matter, old man, your legs cramping up on you?
Yeah. These old legs. I am bouncing really strong right now, guys. It recovered all the way, like it went all the way back to the opening price, and then now it's like heading back up to towards the top of the range, a little over halfway up.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Rejected off New York VWAP on the YM. YM is a pretty rough beast to trade, you know?
Yeah, it can be
Music
hard.
licensing
It can move
reimagined.
That's why I don't even pull it up. Sorry, go ahead.
I was just saying
But I
it can
don't
move
pull-
pretty quick.
Yeah, I don't even pull it up on my charts anymore.
Artlist.io.
We got some sort of news in 1 minute here. What is
Music licensing reimagined.
this? EIA natural gas. So medium polar. Medium impact.
nat gas.
Yeah. And that's in about 30 seconds here.
Should have made 2 pots of coffee.
Yeah. Through your first one already? Almost.
About halfway.
What's gold looking like now? Oh, gold
Gold.
bounced from that low.
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah.
IB set. Getting that news right now.
Music
And it looks
licensing
like the-
reimagined.
Well, it said forecasted 83 billion, I guess, and it's up at 87. But it shows us as a red number, so that means it's. I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing. So I guess they want that number to go lower. Natural gas change. People are using less natural gas right now.
Artlist.io.
I use propane. Clean burning propane.
Smells better when it's not burnt.
Well, stop huffing it.
Very
What's wrong with you?
rotten eggs, smelly.
Music licensing reimagined.
That more so that news just affected natural gas and nothing else. Still stuck in that choppy range for gold. That entry at 55 would have been nice though, like I was talking about. I was looking away for too long.
Artlist.io.
Keep an eye on that Dow, and now Dow rejected off the New York VWAP, it's been lower.
Artlist.io. Music licensing.
Got 2.5 minutes on this 5-minute candle, and I'm curious to see if the Dow can hold on the overnight VWAP on this candle. That would definitely say that, that would help out for, ES potentially making a newer high or starting to head back to the highs. Or if it's going to roll over. That was a huge green bar on ES, though, that last 5-minute green bar at 720.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it was a nice 12-point candle.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah. But it ended right at the New York VWAP, which isn't isn't very good, right? Like usually if I'm going to take like a strong bar like that it's got to be like 50% of it has to be above the New York VWAP.
Yeah. And when it lands right on it, the only thing that you can think is, oh man, now I have to wait for another 5 minutes.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. To see what's going to come.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Actually, wouldn't mind taking another gold long in my personal account if it can hold up above 41.52.
Yeah.
Did break through New York VWAP. Came back out, down, tested it. See if it tests and rejects again. If so, I may take a long here.
Nice. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
That would be in your cash account.
Yeah. No gold in the prop accounts. That's just poor decision making for me.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like another rejection off of VWAP.
Yes, sir. It does.
Artlist.io.
As I say that, it breaks down through it.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right. ES is looking really strong right now too, eh? And Q's taking out the high almost.
Artlist.io.
NQ just took out its recent high.
Artlist.io.
Got 4 people in my YouTube, 5 in Randy's YouTube, and looking like about 11 in X between mine and Randy's channel. Your channel yesterday was going off on X. I think you had like
Really?
17 viewers in there. Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Like,
I
we
can't
wanna see
imagine
this
why
guy
anyone
copy
would.
trade 1,000 accounts.
What was that?
We want to watch this guy copy trade 50 accounts.
Sure as shit ain't for my pretty face and winning personality.
Artlist.io.
So we're taking the New York arm, the Dow, right now.
Music
1
licensing
minute on this 5-minute
reimagined.
candle here. NQ is looking really strong, pushing up higher.
Artlist.io.
So I pulled open the Trade Evade platform
Artlist.
Yeah.
and changed my settings to alert me when the candle's about to go.
Okay. Yeah.
That's what it is on yours. That popping noise.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the candle alert.
Yeah, that's I have that one, but the one that was it was definitely the
Music
Discord one. It's like a Halloween noise.
Oh, I don't know about
But
that.
yeah, I have that noise doing also on the loud fuck when the candles like
Artlist.io.
I think NQ longs after a pullback might be our best bet today.
Music licensing
Yeah, it's looking like it, eh?
reimagined.
because it's definitely the most bullish. We do have a bear or a bullish fair value gap. We just formed on the last 5-minute candles, so interesting to see if we can pull that.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
What a boring day.
Yeah, that's what I was literally just thinking that. I'm like, what is going on here?
Artlist.io.
Now NQ is getting that little bit of a pullback there.
Yeah, it's not enough of a pullback for me to want to get into it though.
No,
Music licensing reimagined.
Might be a no trade. What day is it? Wednesday?
Thursday.
Thursday?
Yeah.
That is an issue with me not having a day job. Never know exactly what day it is.
Yeah.
I always know when it's 6 o'clock on a Sunday evening though, because I get an alert that the Market Butcher is now online.
This last Sunday I didn't get on. I had a hockey game and pickleball. Hockey game was like right in the middle of
Artlist.io.
market open, so that didn't work out.
That's why you messed up my entire weekend there.
So Zar said
Cool.
after the last couple of days, it feels weird not being in any new trade. Yeah,
Music
there's
licensing
nothing to trade at
reimagined.
the moment. Nothing to suck us in, hey Zar?
Yep. It's coming up on 11 o'clock. If I don't see anything good in the next 15 minutes,
Artlist.io.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Okay, now we're getting a little more pullback on NQ, and then they're pretty volatile on this candle here. Maybe we're gonna get some sort of action now.
Artlist.io.
Buyers were holding a 9 EMA there.
I'd like to see a pullback and a rejection of, or one more rejection of New York VWAP.
Yeah. I'm actually going to try a little long here on YM. It pulled back to the New York there, formed a really big wick on the bottom side. So I'm just going in with one micro. Hopefully we get a little bit of a breakout here up to the opening range high, 46,860 area. I'll probably cut it around 850 to get it up there.
Music
Or start
licensing
trailing it.
reimagined.
We do have value area low, a little bit above us there, so we had a really high volume candle on that last 5 minute where we came back and touched the New York VWAP and found support. So that's kind of my reasoning for getting in this one.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
This is in my Lucid test accounts, so copy trading 5 accounts here on this trade.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, right now I'm only on a basket of 17.
Okay. So we get a little pop here on the YM here. It's like a little bit of in profit. Let's see if we can't. We need to take that value area low here.
Artlist.io.
Can.
Music licensing reimagined.
Austin's in a nice long right now. He's up around 400 in his trade, but it looks like he lost 420 pre-market. I think it was. He had a losing trade in pre-market, I think.
Thought Evan was all alone today.
Yeah, and then Bruce and Austin showed up a little bit later.
Artlist.io.
So where the hell is Randy?
He's still on their stream, yeah.
That's son of a bitch. See how it is.
Yeah. I'm assuming he's getting paid by them, right? He must be.
I don't know. I don't ask questions like that. It's none of my business.
For sure, but here we go. And he's taking the high right now. Yes, starting to take it up a bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
hopefully we can get this YM candle to close above the value area low. That'd be very nice. Looking like it wants to. We got 8 seconds left on this 5-minute candle. Yeah, we did close above it, so that's always looks promising.
Artlist
Formed a
IO.
bullish fair value gap here, so if we get a little pullback, we're probably going to add to the trade.
See if we can get a little more lift on NQ.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I did add one more contract there on that little pullback. So we're in with 2 contracts now.
Artlist IO.
Need to see that previous day VWAP plus the opening range high to be broken would be nice.
Artlist IO.
We did erase that fair value gap though, so that one didn't get set, unfortunately. But I'm still in really small size, only 2
Music
micros still.
licensing reimagined.
So my limit order on NQ just got picked up at 174.80.
Nice.
50, sorry. And honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about that.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, maybe. Well, I hope it goes up.
Music
Ooh, that was a big
licensing
wick.
reimagined.
YM. That's weird though. The wick didn't really form on TradingView. Let's see, 808. Yeah, I guess it did. Never mind.
All right, I'm cutting out of that bullshit trade I shouldn't have taken.
Yeah. Is that like a 5-point loser?
Let me see.
Ish.
Yeah, right around there. That was a stupid move on my part.
Yeah,
Feel
Dow's
free to
starting to
yell
pull
at me.
back pretty hard on me now.
Artlist IO.
Yeah, it's not being very friendly this price action. That's for sure.
Music licensing reimagined.
So here's a better place to get in. Bounce off that 9. Still rather take something down at 118.
That's kind of the New York view up.
Oh no, it's above New
Even
York. Oh wait,
Artlist IO.
what the shit is going on? My VWAP keeps disappearing on me.
That's so weird.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna refill my coffee here.
Artlist.io.
Ooh, YM's pulling back pretty hard right now.
NQ starting to pull back a little bit more.
$20 on this trade.
So
Artlist.io.
New York VWAP is at 25,094.50. Got to pull back to the 9. 21 is at 21,121 or 25,121.
Looking like I'm gonna get stopped out on this Dow trade now. It's just really collapsed here. Just a couple points away from taking me out. See, hopefully you can hold this New York.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, jeez, guys. Why Dow? After that huge bullish candle, like that huge wick with super high volume, I'm really
Music
surprised that we're
licensing
heading
reimagined.
lower. We did sweep the low of that candle, so I'm hoping that the buyers step back in here, but not looking very promising.
I mean, there's orders off of 25 to 1250.
I'm
Really
only
not
risking a
full.
little over $50 on this trade though, so I shouldn't be that worried about it. But it is across 5 accounts. Could give it a little bit more space actually, because it is only
Artlist.io.
two micros here. But not looking very promising at the moment, that's for sure. We do have this bullish fair value gap down to 64. I'll just put my stop at 60 here. That'll be the true invalidation level. If we break that fair value gap on the bottom side. Sort of bouncing above the New York VWAP right now, getting some recovery on it. Nice. Might survive. Praying we might survive this pullback.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
See, if Randy was on stream, there'd be a giant green candle showing up here.
Yeah.
Right about now.
It looks like it wants to go.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Come on, YM.
Music licensing
Let's go. We're holding the New
reimagined.
York right now, so. We need a Randy B candle, please. Yes, and looking pretty good though. Gold's just still sideways, hey?
Ooh.
Like really just
Yeah, that's
in
just
that
ugly.
Artlist
good day to
IO.
be a range trader though, if you're like just hitting the bottom of that range and trading back to the top and vice versa. Well, we got 10 seconds for what? Kansas City Fed manufacturing
Music
coming up.
licensing reimagined.
Kansas City Fed Composite Index. And US 4-week bill auction.
Anything good in Kansas City?
Artlist IO.
See if NQ bounces here.
Artlist IO.
Where's Randy?
Looks like they just ended the stream, so we'll probably see Randy here in a minute if he does. Oh, they're about to end the stream.
I'll be gone by then.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Are you gonna step out of here now?
I mean, today's just not my day, man.
Yeah.
Made a little money pre-market.
Yeah, the 10 points.
Just
or
not
whatever.
feeling it right now, so I mean,
It's all good. Appreciate you hanging out as usual. Gives me somebody to talk to, someone to bounce ideas off of.
IO.
Oh, geez, come on down. Don't do this. It was up in profit there, and now just this big bearish candle.
on your YM trade,
Yeah.
I'll tell you what, I'm gonna step away for a minute
Okay.
and I will be back. You can bounce some ideas off me.
Licensing reimagined.
Sounds good. Back to the New York view up here, guys. Hey.
Artlist IO.
Sellers really trying to take that New York view up on the Dow, guys, right now. This could be the end of my trade if we end up breaking this and heading lower here.
Artlist IO.
Yeah. Don't be a sissy, YM.
Music licensing reimagined.
Here we go. Come on, guys.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
Yeah, guys, this trade isn't looking that great right now. I mean, it isn't. Obviously, it hasn't completely told us that this trade is over, but
Artlist.io.
Not looking that promising at the moment. So just taking a look at the viewers, we got like 11 people in X, and we got 4 in my YouTube, 5 in Randy's YouTube. So 21 viewers right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Thanks for hanging out.
Artlist.io.
Come on down. Let's go, boys. Might get me back in profit here. Down 4 points currently.
Music licensing reimagined.
I do have a little short video coming out later today in a couple hours, 2 hours from now. Just a trader lifestyle post. And welcome back.
Did you make $1 million?
No, but I am hoping to win a free account from the live prop. Prop for match. They're doing
Artlist.io.
They're doing a little giveaway for 2 what are these Blue Guardian accounts.
Blue Guardian, aren't they from like Auckland, New Zealand?
I'm not sure the location, but yeah,
Music
possibly.
licensing reimagined.
Who we got? LL1. Finally back in a little bit of profit here on this Dow trade.
Yeah,
Artlist.io.
went and grabbed some coffee. Somebody was trying to get in the back gate to the house.
Oh, really?
So I open up the door. It's the pool guy.
Okay. Like somebody trying to break in your yard or what?
No.
Gotta do some pool
Music
maintenance.
licensing reimagined.
You got a hot tub out there too, or is it just a swimming pool?
Hot tub. It's gonna be 93 degrees here today.
I guess you don't really need a hot tub.
hot tub isn't a thing.
I take
It's
that
funny
back.
that the places here that do have hot tubs, they
Yeah.
are usually set at around 88 degrees. So it's like
Oh,
a
wow.
lukewarm bath.
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
You go in a hot tub and then you get out and then you're gonna be overheating when you get out anyways, so
Yeah. You pass out and bash your head on the side of the pool. That's how I want to be found dead.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So it looks like they're giving away a couple accounts every day on that prop firm match. So we've
We
been
have to
holding
get in
my
on
entry
that.
price. Yeah, been holding right above my entry price here, but we have this like trend line that I just put in a few minutes ago, and we just can't seem to get above that.
Music licensing reimagined.
It might have to go sweep those lows again before recent lows before they go higher here on YM. Unless we get a Randy B candle here in a minute. Thought he was going to join us, but maybe he won't. He's probably going to go enjoy his vacation.
Yeah, it's coming to an end shortly, right?
Yeah.
Artlist.io.
You should just.
You can get in on that. If you want to jump in there on that channel, you can get in on that next giveaway for the Blue Guardian. Yes, JP, super whack day, 100%. Yeah, if you go to prop firm match and then type Blue Guardian in the chat, then you'll be entered for that giveaway. I don't know how they get this. Is pretty smart though. They get them to type it in the chat, and then you're getting all those activities on the chat, right? Which draws, brings the algorithm to bring people to the chat, right?
Artlist.io.
Come on, Dow. Let's break this high. Start printing some big bullish candles, please. What's gold doing? Gold still just going sideways, hey? Holy.
Music licensing reimagined.
Look like tomorrow may be an action-packed day, ton of data. Okay. Yeah, tomorrow's going to be a Friday. It's going to be a Fat Cash Friday or Freaky Friday or Fall Down Friday.
Artlist.io.
Please, let's not have a fall down Friday.
Well, as long as we're on the right side. Yeah, again, no new information, but kind of looking like
Artlist.io.
pulling back again on the Dow here. I was saying we might be getting that deeper pullback here before we get the breakout. Usually we sweep like one side before we take the other side. So.
Music licensing reimagined.
They're running that next giveaway here. Come on, Market Butcher. Curious guy one.
Artlist.io.
Pretty hard to win on that one. There's like a lot of applications, or entries, sorry.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm gonna follow that prop for match on X. There we go.
Artlist.io.
Whoa, what was that?
Just a door closing. The doors here are exceptionally heavy.
Oh yeah.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
They're going to give away 2 more top 1 futures accounts now, using the same list of people that applied for the first one. Look at me trying to get some free accounts. I mean, we're on here anyways. Might as well, right?
Yeah, you might as well. How many accounts are you trading now?
Mustafa. I got five Lucid test accounts I'm working on. I got 2 Take Profit Trader accounts,
Artlist
pros.
IO.
I have 2 150K top 1 futures and 1 50K top 1 future. So I think it's around 10 accounts total. Yeah. And half of them are not funded yet. Keyword yet.
Music licensing reimagined.
Mustafa won. Come on, Dow, let's go. Dow held the New York VWAP again. These guys gotta do something here soon, man. I'm almost thinking I should just, like, next time if I get into profit at all, just lock it.
Artlist
And then,
IO.
Come on,
Artlist
guys.
IO.
now we're pulling back here.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist IO.
GN 13131. Oh, this
Music
This
licensing
Dow trade, man.
reimagined.
it's like watching paint dry here.
Yeah, watching these charts right now is like watching grass grow.
Yeah, paint dry, grass grow. What else is a good one?
Sounds like somebody's playing hide and seek upstairs.
Oh yeah.
Can you hear that
How do you-
nonsense?
No.
Artlist IO.
Geez, they give away a lot of accounts. They're giving out 2, 4, 6 accounts today.
Zara saying it looks like tomorrow might be an action-packed day.
Yeah, I saw that. Lots of data coming out.
Music licensing reimagined.
Kind of close to my stop here. Thought I might be getting knocked out of this trade here if we head much lower.
Artlist IO.
About 10 to 15 points still above my stop, but looking a little bit on the heavy side right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, sorry guys, this has been the most boring day I've had in a long time.
Right? There's been really nothing. I mean, I shouldn't even be in this Dow trade either. Just after I saw that huge wick and that high volume candle, it looked like we were really going to be bullish. It's kind of like telling me, come on, go long, go up. But
Artlist.io.
bouncing up a little bit here now. See if we can get a move higher here, guys.
Artlist.io.
Rejected our go up there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Trump pardoned crypto finance minister Zhao. I don't know. He must have got charged with something, and then Trump's giving him a get out of jail free card, I guess.
Artlist.io.
Couldn't imagine why.
Insider trading, maybe, or something.
Music licensing reimagined.
Come on, let's go, guys. Let's make a move here. Just don't make the move down, please. Looks like Zach's in a short on NQ right now.
Interesting.
Artlist.io.
It's above VWAP. It is coming down a bit over the past 20 minutes, but
I think he's got a
wait, that's
value.
yes, I'm sorry. Pulled up the wrong chart. 15 minutes is going down, still over VWAP, over the 21.
Uh-oh. Might get stopped out here. Pushing lower.
Music licensing reimagined.
Feeling like if I can get out of this trade, I'm going to get out.
Artlist.io.
You can always get out of your trade.
Yeah. I would just like to get it back to my price.
Reimagined.
Yeah, I think if we start breaking up to my price, so get above my price, I might just bring my stop up there. And, you know, if we get stopped out, we get stopped out. There we go, getting a bit of a bounce. Come on. Look like all three indices are making the same candle right now, which is good. Just gotta take the top of that channel. Head to the top of the range here, Dow.
Feel like I need to get into something, but I can't make a decision.
Yeah.
Help me, Dave. Give me a signal.
I missed my chance to get my stop in there, and now it's it's only 1 point below my price, but I'll just be patient here. Come on. It's printing more super whack candles, as JP said earlier. Super whack day. Yes. I hear. Yeah, exactly, Nick. I need to get a sound bite for that, so I can just start doing yawns when we have days like this.
Oh man, this is rough.
And like gold is still going sideways too. Like what a sideways day.
Music licensing reimagined.
Everything is range bound. It's sideways.
Come on, boys, let's go. Now it looks like it's finally taking that channel, starting to go a little bit. See if it can pull the rest of them up with it. Come on, yeah. Randy B candle. Here we go. Finally in the money, $30.
Hey.
Oh.
Yeah, don't. Take the money and run. Take the money and run.
I know, right?
Artlist.io.
If $30 times 5 is 150.
It's $150.
Come on, guys, let's go. Looking like it's starting to get strong though. Like I don't really want to. I'm gonna put my stop at the bottom of this current candle here. We're in the profit now, 6 points in profit, minimum. Come on, don't stop me out though. Come on, keep going. Keep going, keep going. Don't do it. No, don't do it. Don't do it.
Artlist.
Come on, please. I'm out. There we go. Made 50 cents.
Hey, 50 cents across 5 accounts.
Yeah. $2.50.
You do that 3 more times, you'll be able to get a coffee at Starbunkles.
Yeah, quite possibly.
So you want to hear something really stupid?
What's that?
Just looked at my Twitter account.
Yeah.
There's a thing from My Funded Futures.
Oh, yeah?
I forgot that I have a My Funded Futures account.
Oh. So you never
I
used
just
it?
pulled it up on Tradeovate and was like, oh yeah, how's that doing today?
Nice. Oh, of course. I got stopped out there. Now it's good. Pushing back up to the highs here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
I don't know, Nick. What do you think? Should we just wrap it?
Yeah, I'm thinking there isn't a whole hell of a lot going on right now.
But this could also be the moment where it's gonna start going. Like things are starting to look a little bullish. So what time do we got here? It's 8:28.
Artlist.
Of course, yeah. The Dow. I would have been up nicely now. Friggin' bastard. Got that. Put that stop in there. Preemptive too, a little too early there. The other two are looking pretty bullish at the moment.
Music licensing reimagined.
Tough day so far. Caught a gold long, missed the MNQ VWAP retest, but pretty much a boring day. Yes, I totally agree, Zar. It's we're not getting a whole lot right now, that's for sure. Oh, I screwed up that trade.
Artlist.io.
Zach's
Yeah.
saying if we get a pull back to 4180 something on the gold. What is
Got a
that?
gold long, but missed the MNQ VWAP retest.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm missing everything today. I got nothing.
Yeah. Nothing really presenting.
You know what? We'll come back for the kill zone with Zach Arbucci.
Music
Yeah.
licensing reimagined.
Hey Darren, how you doing?
Darren, good afternoon, sir. Good morning, sort of, for us.
It feels like it's coming on 10 p.m. right now. It's been
Yeah.
the longest damn morning I've had in a while.
Artlist.io.
Did Trump make his announcement yet?
That's at noon, I think, so we still got some time for that.
Reimagined.
Okay-ish day for me so far. Lost 140, made back 280, so just in the green. Got just over 100 to claw back to get green on the instance. Nice. What are your guys' thoughts on back testing? Do you do it, or you find it helpful or anything? Hey, Trevor. Yeah, I do like back testing. I do it pretty often on TradeZella.
Artlist.io.
So definitely worthwhile. Can put in some time to, build that confidence in whatever your strategy is, right?
I like the back
Artlist.io.
testing on TradeZella. I don't generally look at charts when I'm doing back testing. I'll just look at my stats, what trades I've taken, which ones were within my plan and which ones worked out.
Uh-huh.
I don't like
Music licensing reimagined.
back testing as much as I like forward testing.
You prefer forward testing?
And I don't like paper accounts.
Yeah, sometimes when you
For
do the back
testing.
testing, if you go back like a year, it's not necessarily going to be the same market as we're experiencing right now, right? So
Yeah, and when you're back testing something, if you're pulling the chart up and trying to take those trades, you don't have the same emotional responses to it. So I don't like
Yeah.
paper accounts. If you don't have any money sitting on that table, you're not going to trade the same way.
oh, there's
Music
our
licensing reimagined.
Twitch spammer. Only back test when I was learning. Don't do it now that I know how I trade works. Yeah.
So I don't know what the hell this is, but
That's a glitchy
Artlist.io.
bot. Best viewers, some of my viewers online at Angagagar.
Artlist.io.
well, Dave, I
Oh,
think I'm out for the day.
Okay,
I'm gonna
Mr.
go take a shower and wash this day off me.
Watch this dirty day off. This gross day. Sounds good.
All right, Doc. You have
Okay.
a lovely evening. Don't do anything too crazy,
You too.
unless it's 10 minis on a long on NQ.
Artlist.io.
Yeah. For sure.
If you need to you know, just call me and I'll talk you out of it.
Sounds good.
All right, I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, see ya.
Music licensing reimagined.
So I don't know if I'm going to regret this, but I did re-enter long here, guys, on the Dow. And now we're starting to pull back. I'm basically going to use the New York VWAP as our support line here. They might come back, pull it back to retest this trend line that I had in here, and then head higher. Or I might have just given back some money. I'm only in with one micro though, so not a whole lot of risk.
Music licensing reimagined.
Added there on that pullback here, hoping that we're going to find the support on that trend line, sort of a retest to the breakout area of that trend line. Obviously, if we end up flushing through that there, I'm probably going to get stopped out pretty quick. I'm not giving this one quite as much space as the last one. But it's not looking very good at the moment, guys.
Reimagined.
Jeez, guys. Jeez. Right back into that channel now. Frig.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here. Looks like, guys. It'd be about 65 loser times 5.
Artlist.io.
I just can't really move my stop this time. I was giving it a little more space last time, but hopefully they can reclaim the New York view up here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Did need this nice pullback though. If we're gonna eventually take the high, need some sort of a pullback before we, to anyone who got long up there with any kind of size probably is out of the trade by now. So if we need to get a candle closure above the 800 level now. You can see it move higher here.
Music licensing reimagined.
We did get that closure above the 800, so let's see if we can't get a little continued recovery here on this pullback. Would be pretty nice. And I do kind of consider this as a retest of that trend line. So this could be a promising sign, but not guaranteed. My entry price is just horrible now compared to what I had earlier. So we're down 35 points, down $34 in this trade.
Artlist.io.
Ralph woke up and he's panting away over there. He's hot.
Music licensing reimagined.
I had a blanket on him and he was sleeping, and I think he woke up because he's hot.
Artlist.io.
Gonna pop out. Just thought I'd pop in and say hi and hope you guys have a good day. It sounds good, Darren. You too.
Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, we're gonna get stopped out here, guys.
Artlist.io.
Looking like it.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Got a closure above the New York VWAP here. Your vinyl record is skipping. Let me pop in a new song here. How you doing, Lafta? Actually, I'm just gonna go to the bathroom real quick, guys. I'll be right back.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So we got knocked out of that trade. So down 67 bucks across all 5 accounts, and we're heading lower here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Sort of right down to the bottom of that channel there. Found some support.
Artlist.io.
Let's see.
Artlist.io.
Good got green on the run up. Waiting now. Not waiting.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So I wonder if we're going to be heading lower here now, guys, after this pretty strong take of the New York VWAP pullback here on NQ and ES. Trying to bounce a little bit right now.
Music
Kind of like
licensing
leaning, starting to lean a
reimagined.
little bit short bias. We'll have to see how these other indices hold out. NQ's kind of fighting with the New York VWAP right now. Found support at the bottom of the range there on the YM. I needed a little bit more stop in my room in the stop there, but you know my entry was just so high. So
Artlist.io.
this price action's just playing around. Anything happening on gold yet? Gold's still sideways.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
What are we gonna get here, guys? Sideways shouldn't be trading, I guess.
Music licensing reimagined.
Trader Julie Kate.
Artlist.io.
Everything's bouncing pretty strong right now, guys.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
One more chance to win in a free account here for Blue Guardian.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Kilroy? Head and Shoulders forming, or Kilroy. Ever seen the cartoon? I don't recall that. I don't think I have seen that cartoon, no.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, yeah, I see that. I've seen that guy before. He's got that big long nose. Yeah, I see him peeking over the fence. Yeah,
Artlist.io.
I see that. That's funny.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, guys, we're trying one more long here on YM. Let's see if we can't get a little bit of a continued move here, but might end up regretting this again. Third time the charm. This will be our last attempt here. Finally took the New York VWAP, broke out of that downward trend channel again. Kind of need the help of the other indices though if we're going to get a move any higher here. So
Music licensing reimagined.
come on, don't stall out here, Dow. There we go. Getting a little bit more of a move here.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Getting a little bit into profit here. Hopefully we can get back to these highs up there. I'll be a little aggressive with my stop here again. If we start getting towards these highs, I want to make sure I don't I could always just sell 2 up here. Let's put a marked limit sell 2 right at the top here, and then we'll put our stop to break even. See if we can't get a little bit more of a move if we can get up there, because looking like all 3 industries starting to pop a little bit. Let's see if they can't get some continued move here though. Let's go, boys. Need about 20 points more, 30 points more actually to get to that TP there, which isn't that hard for the Dow, but depends if we're going to make a lower high here again or not. But we're looking pretty strong on ES and NQ, so hopefully they're all going to kind of make a bit of a move here.
Artlist.io.
Come on, guys, let's go.
Music licensing.
No pullback, no
reimagined.
pullback. Just need to print some big green candles here. Had a pretty high volume candle there on 2 candles ago, 2 1-minute candles ago. But so far looking pretty good. Dow and ES, or NQ and ES are pushing up pretty nicely. Kind of can almost feel like there's going to be a Randy B candle coming here, a boner candle.
Artlist.io.
Here we go, getting a little bit more of a move here. Come on, guys, let's go.
Artlist.io.
No pullback, come on. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We're almost there. Just got to take that high. Take that recent high. Not even looking to take it all, actually. We're kind of a little bit front running the top there. So 54 is our...
Music licensing reimagined.
I'll put it at 55 there. Here we go. We're going to get it. Are we going to get it, guys? Come on. Pop it up. If we do get that, we're going to put our stop here at 46,823. Just to kind of guarantee that we're going to lock in some profits here.
Artlist.io.
Do have half a mind of getting out fully pretty quick here also, because we can at least get rid of that loss. Looking like we might take our order there. Come on, guys, you can do it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Getting a bit of a pullback here, guys. Shoot. Come on. Be nice to me. Be nice to me, YM. Took 3 attempts here. 1 break even, 1 loss. We're still surviving currently in this trade, but
Artlist.io.
pretty big rejection here. I mean, I have a 5. I flip between my 5 and 15 on my trading view chart, which is not, you guys can't see it, it's on the side over here. So yeah, I do take a look at that.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Come up with a looking like he wants to come back and stop us out again here, guys. Shoot, man. Too much chop today, guys. We're just getting chopped up. And this trade is gonna end up stopping me out here, and then, you know, it's gonna turn around and go up again. Right?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Just can't seem to get any luck on this trade, on these trades with these Dow, man. Why I'm still inside the 15-minute opening range? Yeah, it is. I was hoping to kind of get it to go to the top of the range there. That's where my TP is, but rejected just a little bit before there. 7 points lower or something.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looking like they want to come back and retest that New York VWAP there.
Artlist.io.
Looking pretty heavy right now. It's really close to our stop there. We're 1 point in profit on the stop there. So we only have about, five points from the price. So pretty good chance we're going to get stopped out here. Hate to be negative, but
Music licensing reimagined.
yeah. Gonna stop us here. 1 tick away. 1 point away.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we're out there, guys. That's too bad. I ended up actually getting $0 on that.
Music licensing reimagined.
And then, yeah, of course, gonna hit the New York and bounce. Okay, guys. Well, hey, let's wrap it up there. Thanks so much for hanging out. Appreciate you guys coming by. Lafta, Trevor, Darren took off, I think, a little bit earlier. We had Zara in here earlier. My dad, Michael. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. And hopefully you guys had a better day than I did. I mean, my day is normal. Down $70 across the 5, so 350 there. But I think I was already up on the day. Let me see here. I was up $134 on the day, so not a huge loss day or anything. Nothing very substantial. So I was thinking about trying to get on later for after hours. Might be a good idea, especially with this consolidation right now. We're probably going to get some sort of a move later. So yeah, I'll see if I can try to get on. My mom is going away today, so I do have a little bit of extra work at the farm. But yeah, I'll try to get back between 3 to 5 p.m. my time. So I'll set up the stream a little ahead of time if I'm going to, and then at least you guys will get some notifications if I am going to go live. But yeah, I've been wanting to get on to do some nighttime sessions, so maybe today's a good day because, like I said, we've been going sideways all day. So good chance, when there's less volume, we're going to just kind of get a decent move. So yeah, Lafta. I could use some help at the farm. I got to clean the chicken coop. It's too much poop in there, so I'm gonna have to scoop it all out. You live in Los Angeles, nice. Yeah, sweet. All right, guys. So thanks so much, and we will see you tomorrow morning live for Market Open. And yeah, I'll try to get back later tonight. because I've been trying to get on. What is it? Oh, it's Thursday. Shoot, I got a hockey game tonight. Oh, but it's pretty late game actually. 9:45 game. So it's a super late game. So yeah, so I will try to get back on later on jump on stream. So till then, if I don't see you later, I'll see you tomorrow morning. Okay, peace out, guys.